Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make scrambled eggs using butter easy method. Crack eggs into a bowl and whisk with a pinch of salt until smooth before you heat the pan. Melt butter over medium-low heat until foaming, then add eggs and stir slowly with a spatula, folding gently to form soft curds. Finish with a small knob of butter and serve immediately for rich, silky scrambled eggs. Start by heating your pan and reducing to medium-low so butter doesn't brown. Add butter and wait until it foams, then pour in the whisked eggs. Use a spatula to stir slowly, pulling cooked edges toward the center and folding gently to create soft ribbons. Keep the eggs slightly underdone because residual heat will finish them. Plate immediately to preserve creaminess and enjoy the rich butter flavor in every. For creamier eggs, whisk in a tablespoon of milk or cream before cooking, or skip dairy for a purer egg taste. Stir in chopped herbs like chives right at the end to keep them bright and fragrant. If you want cheese, add a little grated cheese just as the eggs finish to melt into the curds. Remember to avoid high heat and to remove the pan promptly so the eggs stay soft and tender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.